Happy Monday, you all! Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go over some HomeSense haul items that I've purchased that I'm super excited to show you all. And then a few updates that I've made from my last video. I don't know if you had a chance to see it, but if not, I will make sure I have the description linked down below for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the update that I mentioned. If you've seen my last video, it was a decorate with me on how I did this mantel look from A to Z, and the updates that I made were those two windows. And of course, I noticed I was missing one of those candles. That's what I was pointing to. So this is how the look is, and my parents got me this beautiful tree. I think they purchased this from Burlington, and it's funny because my sister and I were fighting over this tree. My mom was showing this to us on FaceTime because we both weren't there, and so I end up winning the battle. So thank you, Sylvie, for the tree. I did dye my hair. Really love how the color turned out. It looks a little crazy because your girl did not brush her hair this morning, so my apologies. But, you know, I'm really loving this hair color. My mom is the typical Daisy that absolutely hates this hair color. But you know what? I feel like I'm only getting older, so might as well do something that makes me feel young and alive. One more new thing, my little puppy Louie has been getting sick very often, and so please, I'm asking you guys, prayers out for little Lulu. Yes, baby, prayers out for this one that he feels, a little bit better because he's been dealing with issues on his legs. He's been having arthritis, like early signs of arthritis. There he goes. And he's been limping. So prayers out for Lulu. And this morning he was basically being a sad little puppy, hiding in the corners and just being very unusual. Usually he's more peppy, and today he's just like kind of just stares at you. So prayers out to Louie. I don't know if it's something he ate, but I pray that he gets better. As promised, the haul portion of the video got these fun navy sailor boats from HomeSense, and they were just $7.99 each. I am trying to do like more of a nautical theme for my dining room table, so stay tuned for what I do with those. And these are more on the glamour side. I love like the little bunny, which was only also pretty like cheap. It was $7.99 as well. And basically, I'm gonna put something in that bunny, and this is like a little bunny candle holder. Also goes with this as well, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna combine them or do separate looks, but we'll play around and find out. And this is my favorite purchase, these lamps. I purchased two of these. It was what, $15.99, so $60 each, but they were so worth the purchase because a lot of times I've seen these antique looking lamps for way more in other places, so I just had to grab them and I found two, so I was like, oh, this is gonna be perfect for my living room area. This is how the inside looks, and I love how like it is so detail oriented. The middle inside matches so well with like even the outside, the like what you use to pull the lamp to turn it on, and the base matches with the top. So I am in love with these lamps. You'll get to see where I put them on. This is kind of the area that I'm gonna put the lamp on. Obviously this is going to be one of the areas that I'm going to decorate more. Here's like the basic that I'm thinking of. Obviously it's very empty. A lot needs to be added, but I need to get the same table to put on the other end there so I can have the two matching lamps here and then one there. I know this was a very quick video, but I was trying to be consistent on having videos uploaded every Monday. So just to give you some updates of what's coming up. Dining room, living room, gotta get those decorated for spring, Easter. I think we're gonna have spring or Easter at my house, so I'm trying to do a little bit more decorating to get it more festive-y. and use what I have and also purchase items that I can find. And next time I will actually take my camera and film some of the new items that are actually in store, so you can have an idea of what's out and what's like the latest things that are at the home stores. So thank you for watching, and if you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Until next time.